Hi everyone, welcome to your Ho'oponopono meditation to help with forgiving a specific person. Now, it's not going to be exactly the way you think. So first, let me explain it a bit. With this Ho'oponopono, you're not really forgiving the other person. You're forgiving yourself for putting yourself in a situation, perhaps where someone rejected you, perhaps you were ghosted, might be a lack of communication, or very slow in between communication after you've messaged them, or not wanting to spend time with you, not wanting commitment or marriage with you. So we are going to do Ho'oponopono today to dissolve the part of you that might have attracted these types of situations. Now just take a deep breath in for 4 and a deep breath out for 4. One more deep breath in for 4 and a deep breath out for 4. I'm sorry that what you gave was never enough for me. I'm sorry that I was dissatisfied with you and with us. I'm sorry that my neediness and loneliness and anxiety came up and out at you. I'm sorry that I didn't have enough self-love and then I tried to get love from you. I'm sorry that I tried to make you my source of love. I'm sorry that I just didn't understand that I thought of you as stubborn rather than looking at myself. I'm sorry that I was trying to get and take more than you wanted to give. Please forgive me for not understanding enough about self-love. Please forgive me for not being grateful for what you gave. Please forgive me for trying to get from you and how exhausting that must have been. Please forgive me for when I was acting like a child. Please forgive me for sometimes creating drama. Please forgive me for sometimes blaming you for how I felt. Please forgive me for pushing or over-contacting to get what I wanted. Please forgive me for forcing and trying to take and trying to get more, and sometimes even manipulating or being demanding to get what I wanted from you. Please forgive me for not understanding that trying to force is extremely repelling to you. Please forgive me for not understanding this. I love you for being one of my greatest teachers of all time, especially around the topic of love. I love you. Thank you for your patience in the beginning. And I love you for who you are. To myself, I love you for learning and seeking answers about love. I love you for trying to improve your understanding and applying what you have been learning. I love you because you have suffered greatly, especially around romantic love. I love you for being willing to change and for being born and being born just like this. I love you for having made mistakes, but also being willing to understand what you need to change about yourself. I love you for maturing in your understanding about what real love is. Thank you. Thank you for showing me my self-love needs work. Thank you for being you and showing me love comes from source and inside my own self. And thank you for helping me to learn, to develop that more mature love with no pressure on others. Thank you for this prayer, this beautiful prayer, and for being able to do the cleaning on my old emotions, my old abandonment, my old fears, and my anxieties, which affects my romantic relationships. Thank you for this humbling experience. As hard as it is, and as hard as it has been, thank you for helping me to let go. Thank you for helping me to get my hands off my hips, and perhaps if there was any entitlement or anger or resentment, thank you for helping me to let go and surrender. Thank you to Cindy for requesting this meditation. Lots of love, everyone.